Hello everyone, my name is Shekhar and these are my students who are going to have debate on the topic of caste basis reservation. They are going to speak today whether caste basis reservation should be continue or it should be removed. So please come one by one and give your opinion. So first of all I would like to call Shambhu Pratap who will come and speak on the topic. Please come.
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Shambhu Pratap, and I am in favor of continuing the reservation. In my perspective, India is not so developed that the lower caste or lower people who have very trodden in the society get equal rights. So India developed a lot, but in India, a lot of inhuman activities like untouchability and on the basis of caste other activities also performed like कभी घोड़ी पे नहीं चढ़ने देना किसी दूल्हे को bride. So our constitution provided a special provision to the lower caste so that they can enjoy some more freedom to become equal in the society. So I think in India equality is not achieved, so we should continue the reservation so that the lower caste also get at some level and can compete with the higher caste who has a lot of resources with them. So that's all.
Hello everyone, thank you so much again for this opportunity. My name is Siddharth Jaiswal. Today his topic is a reservation system. I am opposed to the reservation system because it creates a casteism, मतलब caste. And sometimes I think it is a short lived. But in future it creates lots of harmful environment in our society. And
So good evening sir and good evening all of you. So my name is Kamal and today's topic caste reservation. So I am favor of reservation. So according to me caste reservation should be continue because there are a lot of people poor and educationless. So when people want to knowledge and education, so that people don't get a knowledge without because of money. So by government give a lot of reservation for basically OBC, ST, SC people. So this is a good for every peoples. And the main aim of reservation is to remove of discrimination, basically caste discrimination. So this is a good for ST, SC and OBC peoples. So this is my point of view. Thank you.
So my friend Siddharth Jaiswal has opposed the reservation system, but I want to ask him that all the SC and ST become equal to the general? No. In various government's report, the government also said that in parliament most of the lower caste are still poor. They are still not able to get a 2 times meal. That's why the government is providing PDS system. Government provided PDS system so that they can feed their stomach or they can feed their family. I think it should be continued and government should encourage and provide a lot of subsidies also so that they can match with the person who is in general category and have lots of resources. That's all about. Thank you, sir.
hello everyone. I am saying examples of a caste basis. When there are 4 friends. Those lives in 2 BHK flats. All of us have different caste. When one are ST and SC and another are OBC and another are क्या बोलते हैं general. So we are all good friends. And only on one topics there is a reservation, caste basis reservation. That divides your friendship. Okay, and in present time our youths are so intelligent and good in our manners to behave like another persons. And and I am telling about another points like decrease in quality. So where where a person become a IS officer, become a teachers, become a medical fields doctors, become a IT sectors engineers. So where he got he got admission through reservation seat. When he could not he could not enough knowledge and could not gain more marks better than generals and OBC category students. So my perspective, these teachers and these students, these IT fields engineers and doctors are not capable for good teaching and good health secure advices and good alpha structures on our society. Thank you so much, sir.